everyone, my name is Karelin. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a product that I bought from Instagram, and it's this new cleaning instructional product. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to be opening it up. This is how it looks. It comes with 4 of the suction thing, actually 5 with the one in here. It comes with a cord right over here to charge it with, which is a plus. This is how it actually looks when you press it and wait for a second. It lights up in the first one, then click it again, it will go to the second level, and then the most intense one is the 3rd level, and you can hear it. Just keep pressing it and it will stop. The 5 heads that it comes with, this one looks more wide. That's how that one looks. This is one of the 5. Then you have this one. I guess this one is for like smaller target because it has a really narrow 2. And the last one is like an oval type shape. So first, the instruction says to take a warm towel and put it right on your nose to open up your pores. It has the different settings, so 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna use a larger one. That's how you take it off. Go ahead and use this one. It's a little wider. Clip it right here. Hopefully that's secure. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but there is some of my nasty blackheads in there. Look at that. Yeah, there's a lot in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and close my pores. I'm using the same towel, but I put cold water, and I'm gonna just apply it in the area that I vacuumed. I see all that nastiness in there, and it actually works. I'm a little impressed. I just wish that the vacuum would be a little bit more intense than this. My nose is looking crazy right now. Oh my god, yeah, I look really red. Now I'm gonna tell you, let me put some lotion. My final thoughts, I think it actually works. I'm really happy with my purchase. Like I said before, I just wish that the vacuum was a little bit more intense, but again, it would be perfect if you have really sensitive skin. This will be the vacuum for you. Like, this will be your vacuum, girl, because it's not so intense that you will get those red, you know, those red marks, claw thing, like a hickey type of thing. It's not gonna give you that because it's not as intense as other ones, but it definitely takes the dirt out and it works. This will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.